Hello, I'm Debbie Bell-Hosking for FinextraTV at the Temenos Community Forum 2025 in Madrid. And I'm joined by Mark Yamin-Ali, Managing Director Europe, Temenos, and Domenico Ferrari, Platform Manager of Digital and Mobile Banking, Credem. And we're going to be chatting about digital and mobile apps. So welcome to you both.
Thank you.
Thank you, happy to be here. Yeah.
Lots to talk about. I'm going to start with you if I may, Mark. What are the key drivers, do you think? Can you identify them, encouraging European banks to improve their digital banking channels?
Yeah, thank you, Debbie, and hi. Well, we heard this morning in conference our CEO talk about the Hanover report, which was recently commissioned, and the Hanover report confirmed that despite all the geopolitical and macroeconomic uncertainties that we're living through, that banks, 84% of them, are investing more in technology than ever. And their major priority in doing that is to focus on customer expectations. Now we know, and I'm sure Domenico will know lots more than me, that the major driver behind improving that is the digital channel experience, right? So we know why they're investing. The additional thought on that is that there's a couple of things to think about. So they're also looking at addressing the risks that they have. So whether that's the risk in old technology, the risk in neo vendors disrupting their space, but also the opportunity to use new technologies like Gen AI to really take the customer expectation to another level. So I think that's the reason why they're increasing their demand.
I'm going to take that baton of customer expectation and I'm going to pass it over to you, Domenico. How would you say the ever-changing customer expectations throughout the generations, how do you see them transforming digital channels as well as mobile banking?
Yeah. I can say that what we have seen in Credem Banca in the last few months, in the last year, is that the expectation is becoming very high, also because the generation is changing, especially the new generation, Generation Z, is becoming to be a customer of bank. And they want an application, an experience that more interactive, personalized. They want a digital channel that is easy to use. So for this reason, in Credem Banca, we are investing in some few key streams, as for example, the usage of AI, Gen AI, as you said, is a reality now. It's not only a buzzword. We are starting to adopt really in our journey daily Gen AI, and we have already seen the boost that we have using this new technology. So this is the first driver that we have to adopt for give the boost to the digital channel that we need. A second pillar is the creation of ecosystem of integrated services. That it means collaborate with a partnership with companies like startup, fintech, that allow us to increase the velocity to deliver new functionality to the customer. To stay aligned with the expectation of the new generation. So new functionality that are not only bank services, but are also ecosystem of service non-financial. So for example, if you want to book an appointment with the doctor, buy an insurance for travel for your pet, we give the possibility to our customer to do that, so I have a personalized experience on our application to encounter what the new generation wants. So a customer journey that is fit on their needs. And is what we call well banking. We have identified this new word, that it means wellness banking, is a new approach that we are trying to explain to our customer. Last but not least, there is also a review of the interaction between customer and banks. that is a seamless and a simple approach to switch between all our channel, no? Because we don't have only digital channel, we have also a physical channel, no? So we have identified one new approach that we call phygital, no? To allow us to give a new experience to the customer, to our customer, to switch to the different channel, to have a seamless experience, to buy a car, for example, by mobile, go to the branch to our advisor that we call well banker, no? And finish the buying of the product that we offer to our customer using your web banking. So, for example, sign the contract instead of in the branch on the digital channel, no?
The way you describe this changing customer journey is very interesting indeed. Mark, what's the role of cloud and SaaS in improving a bank's digital experience?
Well, I just want to say first, as the father of two 20-year-olds, no, but that well banking initiative is just a fantastically innovative approach to the market. And I've personally gone onto Credem's website, and I would recommend everyone to do that. It's very cool and very attractive to someone who perhaps isn't a Gen Z himself, right?
And I thought while you were speaking, I thought very relatable.
Yes, absolutely, yes. Well, and by the way, the role of SaaS in this is kind of exactly that, because a bank wants to do what it does best, which is focus on its customers' expectations, improve them, take them on the journey that you described so well. They don't want to be worried about the infrastructural headache that should be left to vendors, well, like us, quite frankly. I guess one technology point I wanted to make is that we're kind of proud of the role we've played in it. In a way, it makes me more proud that you've done it without Temenos core banking at the back yet, right? That could be another step. But it speaks to the volume of openness and connectivity that you have in your organization that we put our digital channel in front of somebody else's core banking system. So we're very proud of that, and we're very proud of our alliance with you. That's it. I mean, SaaS is what? You give it to us, we run it for you, you focus on being a bank. SaaS gives you scalability options if you want to grow a service, grow a customer base as you're doing with Gen Z. SaaS allows you to do that in a way that just on-prem wouldn't be able to do. So I think that's why SaaS is such a perfect platform for this project.
Absolutely, and I'm hearing stories about journeys here. I got the impression you wanted to say one thing before we close this interview.
Yeah.
Did you have a response to Mark there?
No, I confirm that I didn't mention it because for us SaaS platform is the base, but I confirm that give us the boost to accelerate the innovation of our channel, improving the velocity to adopt new functionalities. So for us is the base. Yeah.
Agreed.
I confirm it.
Well, on that positive note, and many more journeys to come, may I thank both of you, Mark and Domenico, for joining us here in our TCF studio.
Thank you.
Thank you.